Hello everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel, that is Manifest of Commerce. Today I have brought a topic that is mainly uncontrollable factors, or you can say uncontrollable variables. This is a topic which arises many times, and an examiner asks with you what are the uncontrollable variables of marketing mix, and sometime a question arises the elements, discuss the elements of uncontrollable variables of marketing mix. So we will study what is uncontrollable variables of marketing mix, and how we can get rid of this. So uncontrollable variables आपका क्या होता है कि जो आप कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते, the variables which you can't control, that that are known as uncontrollable variables. So marketing factors affecting the marketing mix, and these factors are related to the market. ये जो जितने भी फैक्टर्स होते हैं मार्केट से रिलेटेड होते हैं, जिसमें कंपनी का कोई कंट्रोल नहीं होता, या फिर आपके तो बिजनेस का कोई कंट्रोल नहीं होता, एंटरप्रेन्योर का कोई कंट्रोल नहीं होता. दैट्स व्हाई these factors are known as uncontrollable factors. But they affect the market activities of the company. Such factors are known as, first it is the pattern of distribution system. Second, consumer behavior. Third is the government control, and fourth is the competition. So these are the four factors which you can't control, or a businessman does not has control upon these. We will discuss in detail. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon. Topic is the pattern of distribution system. Mainly in every business firm, the distribution pattern is different. सब जितने भी बिजनेसमैन होते हैं उनका डिफरेंट डिफरेंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पैटर्न होता है. You can't compete or you can't copy that pattern. So the marketing manager should consider the various forms of distribution system and the nature and behavior of distributors before deciding upon the marketing mix of his company. जो भी मैनेजर होता है मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट में, जो भी डिपार्टमेंट होता है उसमें जो मैनेजर होता है, he has to control and decide the pattern of distribution system by which the firm or the business can run smoothly. Distribution system वो होता है कि अगर आप मैन्युफैक्चर कर रहे हैं, so that manufacturing of a product can reach to a final consumer, उसको बोलते हैं distribution system. Some businessman doesn't include middleman. Some directly they give to retailers and sell to the consumers. Basically आपका कोई middleman का रोल नहीं होता, but big organization keep the middleman chain. So these are the distribution system. जो distributors होते हैं, they come in contact and sell the product to the final customers, because the middleman know the attitude, behavior of the public, or you can say the customers, who directly get in touch with the consumer and sell the product. So जितनी भी कंपनी होती है उनका अलग अलग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम होता है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल्स होते हैं जिसमें आपका कोई कंट्रोल नहीं होता. That's why this factor is known as uncontrollable variable. Next we'll move to our second point, behavior. As you know, consumer behavior keeps on changing. Consumer behavior is a behavior which keep on changing. You can't control that behavior. If a person want a beauty product of Lakme, so he will need that product. He needs that product. You can't change. You can't say that take this product, that product. He want Lakme product, so he want that product. You don't have any control upon consumer behaviors that keep on changing. A marketing manager must study the needs and their preference and their taste before launching the distribution channel. So consumer needs will, demand and preference are also affected by the change in income. Income होगी उसके according वो अपना purchases करेंगे, और इनके different different fashion होते हैं, social status होता है. So these have to be managed. They can be managed, but they can't be controlled. You can't have direct control. That's why consumer behavior is also included in uncontrollable factor of marketing mix. Next, it is uncontrollable factor is government control. Government control in India and in other countries also control the various activities of the market. Market कभी कभी मार्केट प्राइस भी जो है गवर्नमेंट सेट करती है. सो गवर्नमेंट को आप कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते. गवर्नमेंट का जो पॉलिसीज है, गवर्नमेंट की जो रिस्ट्रिक्शन है, यू कांट कंट्रोल दोज रिस्ट्रिक्शंस. That's why it comes under uncontrollable factor. In India, the government intervention and as regards the price, quality, distribution system and packaging of the product. It's too much. कभी कभी हमारी इंडिया में क्या होता है, गवर्नमेंट का प्राइस पे भी कंट्रोल होता है, इवन अपॉन क्वालिटी, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम एंड पैकेजिंग ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. तो ज्यादातर उनका इंटरफेरेंस हमारे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग पे और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल्स पे होता है. So a marketing manager should think over the various government control on the various marketing activities regarding the product of the company in preparing the marketing mix. So these are uncontrollable variables. Next we'll move to our fourth or last controllable factor, that is competition. As you know, there is a cutthroat competition in a market. Competition is very much high. So before deciding upon the marketing mix, the marketing manager who is handling the market department should also study the competitive conditions of the market or in the market before launching any market mix. For this purpose, he should take into account basis of competitions, the number of competitors' viewpoint towards the consumers, their quality, characteristics of competitor products, and their marketing strategies before preparing its marketing mix. Competition is very much high, so before marketing mix आपको डिपार्टमेंट जो मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट मैनेजर है उसको डिसाइड करना होगा, मार्केट को पूरा रिसर्च करना होगा, स्टडी करना होगा, फिर उस लेवल तक अपनी कंपनी को पहुंचाना होगा. एवरीथिंग इज हैज टू स्टडी. That's why this factor is also known as uncontrollable variables which you can't control. So I wish that I could help you in this topic, that is uncontrollable variable. Thank you for listening me. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel to get direct notification of my next video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.